we're going to make a shower pan inside my van. I need to show you this. It says here it's large mixing tub. I bought it in Lowe's. Guess what? How much is it? It's only 13 bucks. Yes, 13 bucks. You have your shower pan. Once you figure out where's the hole, this hole is safe, so it's gonna be clear under the van because you're gonna be drilling a 44 millimeter. It's a 1 3/4 size radius. I don't know. It's 1 3/4 size. So we're gonna be drilling this hole straight going down to the floor of the van. You only have one take for this one. If you mess up, I don't know. So as you see right now, I put some brackets first here and here all around the bucket so that it will not move once I trace the hole. This is my hole. You need to also put paint under the van on the floor so that you have 100% sure that the floor is sealed. So we already dig a hole. It's time to install this one. Don't forget the nut, the plastic washer, and the rubber bushing. Not plastic washer, rubber bushing. Not plastic washer, rubber bushing. Sand this little ones. And this one. And ooh, ooh, look at that. Ooh. First, the rubber bushing. Other. I should do like this. Okay, I need to make a larger hole for these nuts, plastic washer, and the rubber bushing here so that it will be flashed down. Let's clean it up. Clean it up. Clean up, darling. Clean it up. Oh yeah, cleaning up. As you see here, look. I think you see it. The solution for that is you need another nut that will fit. This one. Look for another one like this nut and put it under the van, tie it so this one will be pulled going down to the floor. So right now I don't have an extra nut. I'll leave it there. Okay, for now the tub is installed, or the pan, or the shower pan is installed. There's a problem here. Look, it's not really laying down on the floor. You might want to put some glue under this one so that it will stick on the floor. But for me, I will not put a glue right now, or maybe I will not put the glue anymore, because once this one breaks or something's wrong with the pipes or something's wrong with my design, I need to take this off. I think you will ruin your floor. You will peel off your floor and it's messy. You don't want that. So oh yeah, looks like a bathtub. So next, I will be putting this one here, one here, one here, one here. But this side, I wanted to have this slight angle so that when the water drops here, it will run inside the tub. Same as here, it will flow going down. And I need to put a glue here on the sides, and I need to treat this one to make it waterproof. Maybe I just paint it 3 times with clear paint, or 5 times to make it waterproof. Yeah, this is awesome. Whoa!
Okay, so we bought 2 shower curtains, which we are gonna be putting around here when it's time to
Google! Okay, you see that white glue? It's ugly. But I have a solution for that. And our bath area or shower area. Yes. Shower. Good. So far, there's no water outside.
Drain sa loob.
Okay. There's the drain. Working perfect. And there, dry, and me wet. Wet inside, dry outside. That's the goal. So I don't have a towel. Now outside is gonna be wet.